Welcome to my mad lab.
Turning the spooky season into a science-filled adventure. The STEM teacher at Red Cedar Elementary School has transformed her classroom into a spooky STEM lab, complete with eerie decorations, glowing lights, and 4 hands-on activities that combine Halloween fun with scientific discovery.
We are making zombies rise through static electricity. So the kids are learning about how they make static electricity and cause something to lift up. We have a kind of an engineering design with some marbles where the spiders crawl across the table. We're using magnetic pools to actually cause ghosts to float mid-air. And then we actually have some real x-rays from teachers and students at Red Cedar for the kids to see a real x-ray and know what it's like.
The students are having lots of fun exploring the lab and taking part in each experiment.
I liked the ghost one because it was hard to keep it up. You had to hold the wand above the ghost. The wand had a magnet in it and it would float if you did it right.
I was grabbing the balloon and shaking it in my head like a crazy man. And I like it because they're like little people. And when we do this, like the thing can stand up.
My favorite activity was where you got to see all the teachers, like what surgery they've had and where, because it was really cool, like seeing what they've gone through and how they are now.
Each activity is sparking curiosity and showing the students how science connects to the world around them, even during Halloween.
Creating these kinds of experiences make kids want to come to STEM lab for their regular labs, and they're ready and engaged, they're focused in, and they're asking really cool questions that's getting them into that, abstract thinking, that scientific mind.
It's floating!
Every class, from kindergarten through 5th grade, is getting the chance to visit the spooky STEM lab and experience the Halloween-themed science fun. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Thanks guys for coming to my mad lab!